Bina learning. Look at this high power vehicle. Do you know what it's called? That's right, it's a tractor. The first tractor-like vehicles were developed in the 19th century, and by the First World War, they were well established. Did you know that tractors are similar to cars and trucks in that they are made very similar, but tractors are actually off-road vehicles? Do you know what off-road is? Off-road can mean rough terrain, unpaved roads, fields, and even the beach. Can you guess what tractors are used for? They're actually used in so many different ways, especially since you can attach different types of equipment or implements on the tractor to help with different jobs. They are very popular in construction, and they can also be used in agriculture. Tractors help control weeds and even sow crops. Look at this tractor. You can attach a trailer behind a tractor to help you with the job. Look at this red tractor. It's going backwards. What is this tractor doing? Oh, look, it's snow. Did you know that you can even attach a snow plow to the tractor? That can help you clear the road after it snowed outside. That is a lot of snow. The road is going to be so clear after this tractor finishes the job. Look at this tractor. The tractor we see here has sprayers that help with pesticide application. These type of sprayers are also used for irrigation or watering plants. And some tractors, they have spreaders. These spreaders help fertilize the plants. Did you know that you can even mow the grass using a tractor? Look at this tractor operator. He is working on a rice field. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram.